Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, for example through the phone. So let's tap on the contacts here. Now let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, so maybe this one, and tap on edit. Here, let's simply tap on this, in my case, photo, but let me quickly maybe remove it so you can see how it will look like if you will not have the contact with a photo. Just tap on this, this circle or edit, and now you can pick from 4 different options. So the stickers and the emoji, camera, and after picking this option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can pick the photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Let's find the photo and tap on it, and here in this step you can change the position of this highlighted circle. You can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it and tap on done. If you're happy with your choice, if you like the photo which will appear right here, simply tap on save, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like after applying the photo. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.